Today's Scottish Gaelic word of the day is going to be all about this whisky from the Isle of Skye. Now, I've been waiting for honestly the longest time to take this home to my grandpa because I would like to share it together. I know that so many of you are massive fans of the Isle of Skye like myself, so I thought it was a good opportunity to do the Isle of Skye. So the Isle of Skye in Scottish Gaelic, in Chillan Skiahanach. In Chillan Skiahanach. Say it a little bit faster. In Chillan Skiahanach. Now you do have another option, and it is often referred to as Ilan Ahya. Ilan Ahya, which is like the Misty Isle, island of mist. Which might be a little bit harder for some people to say, but I thought I would throw it in there. So you have in Chillan Skiahanach or Ilan Ahya. Make sure to follow along to learn some more Scottish Gaelic, and I'm off for a nip with my grandpa.